friends. Last time I had given a talk, I had mentioned how to clear SSB and five most important things that you need to consider and work upon. And I had also promised that one by one I will cover all those five aspects through my various talks. Now I'll come down to the one of the most important, though all are important, thinking aspect. Now thinking is the most important aspect to work upon. Unless until you change your thinking, your thoughts, your mindset, it will be very difficult for you to clear your SSB. How? Because it is through thinking only. Your logical, your analysis, your imagination, everything depends on thinking. Now, if you don't work on your thinking, nothing moves. The source, somebody had said, the source is within you and this whole world springs from it. So, if you take control of your thinking, you take control of this world. In another way, to express the same thing in another way, what you think you create, and what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you become. I repeat again, what you think you create, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you become. Every thought produces electrical signals in your brain. It releases certain chemicals and they have significant influence on every cell of your body. Further, they also have physical impact on your body. For example, there are series of happy thoughts running through your mind. All this will show up on your face. If you're angry, it will show up on your face. If you're frustrated, it will show up on your face. If you have got fear, it will show up on your face. Now, all these things affect your overall appearance. That's what I was trying to express it earlier. Now, to a mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. Now, the peace of mind will give you or make you the most powerful man. Like peace in a country will help that country to develop faster and become more powerful. In a similar manner, a peace at mind would help you to develop faster and become more powerful. In other words, help you to be more successful. Now, in life, what happens? We invariably face some or the other problems. Now, we have two choices. Number one, either we sit and sulk and dwell on how unfair life is. We blame government, we blame institute, we blame teachers, we blame everybody else. That this problem is because of somebody else. Or you try to figure out how to make a bad situation work for you. Now, change your thinking and change your world. That is the main crux of my talk today. Now, what is thinking? Before I start telling you as to what needs to be done or what can be done to improve your thinking, let's understand what thinking is. Now, thinking is to have a view or an opinion, to exercise the mind, or to consider something likely. I repeat again, thinking is to have a view or an opinion, to exercise the mind, and to consider something likely. Nothing happens by itself. Everything starts with a thought. And thinking can be right or wrong, negative or positive. Thinking brings success not only in your studies but also in your career and life. Now, Anthony Robbins had said, whatever you hold in your mind on consistent basis is exactly what you will experience in your life. I repeat again, he said, whatever you hold in your mind on consistent basis is exactly what you will experience in life. If you doubt your power, you will give power to your doubts. Now, if we have negative thoughts, what to do? Destroy negative thoughts when they first appear in your mind. This is when they are the weakest. The best way to tackle negative thoughts is to tackle them when they appear first. Now, one can give a talk on this or start talking about negative thoughts how to overcome them. It's a totally separate ball game. Here I will now focus more on how to change your thinking and convert your thinking to a positive in a positive way so that you achieve success in SSB. Now, one thinks from mind, everyone will agree. Now, mind is the storehouse of your experiences and information. Now, if you change your thinking, what does it mean? How does it help? It helps you to take different decisions or better decisions. It will help you to take different actions and better actions. Because all your decisions and actions are based on your thinking. A simple explanation. Now, in order to change your thinking, you have to change the information that is going into the mind. So, whatever goes in, it comes out. So, unless until you change what is going in, naturally what is coming out will also not change. So, quality of thinking improves if you feel your mind or you feed your mind with better info and good experience. I repeat again, quality of thinking improves if you feed your mind with better info and good experience. How to do it? Now, there are two ways of doing it these days. It is either through actual world or virtual world. Now, actual is you go into reading books, meet people, have a mentor, develop networking, experience new things, participate in activities, and read. There is the most important thing is read. That is going for actual. Now, virtual world. Now you have this internet, computers, laptop. Use them. Use electronic media. All this is virtual world. You can use either the actual world or virtual world. In whichever way you can say you feel that it is more powerful for you. Every person will like it and to do it in a different manner, either through an actual way or through virtual way. You have got both the things, or you can use both the things also. Now, I've been talking about changing thinking. Now, why to change the thinking? How does it help? Now, it helps to improve your logical thinking. It helps to improve your analytical thinking, and it helps to improve your imaginative thinking. And this is what is going to help you in SSB in all your tests. Whether you are writing your PPDT story, whether you are doing TAT or WAT or SRT, or even in interview, even in GTO ground, this is going to help you, and this is what they are trying to find out. And through this only, they are trying to find out those officer-like qualities. And if your logical thinking, analytical thinking, and imaginative thinking levels are good, then automatically your result is good. Now, if thought is energy, as I had mentioned earlier, now if thought is energy and source of creation, then what is this source of energy? Another question. Now, just before this, I had given you how to change it and how this change is going to help you. The next question comes is, if thought is energy and source of creation, what is the source of this energy? Now, if you understand the source, it will help you to get that feedstock going into your mind. Now, the kind of source you are using will generate the kind of emotions and actions that you are doing in your daily life. I repeat again, the kind of source that you are using will generate the kind of emotions or actions that you are taking in your life. So, what is the source? Source is, वो बापू जी के तीन बंदर, बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो. So the source is listening, reading, seeing. Now, whatever you listen, whatever you see, and whatever you read is going to help you to develop your thinking. Further, experiences, activity, visiting new places, developing or making new friends, having a good mentor. So, if you control your source, you control your mind. And if you have got no control over this source, like I said, You have actual and virtual world. Now, in actual and virtual world, if you misuse, go for the wrong source, naturally your thinking will be that way. And you will get the result, you will create that negative result instead of positive results. Now, another easier way to change the thinking, because everyone is looking for shortcuts. Whoever wants, bhai jaldi ho jaye kaam. Now, another easier way, you have to do only two things: improve your vocabulary and change your company or surroundings. If you do these two things, automatically your thinking improves. Now, what happens? Students have ideas. They want to put it across either in writing, but they are able to put in writing, nor they are able to put or speak about it. Now, why is this happening? You don't have adequate vocabulary either to speak on it or to write about it. Next comes is your surroundings and your company. The kind of people that you are meeting, the talks that you are having with them. If you are continuously having those negative talks with those people, automatically, you will also start thinking negative. So your surroundings, your company make a difference. Two things only. Vocabulary. Now, how to improve the vocabulary? You can improve either by listening or by reading or even by seeing. बोलो सीइंग से कैसे हो जाएगा? ओ भाई रास्ते में चलते हो, you see so many advertisements. At least don't see them while driving, but otherwise you can see them. You will learn about new words, understand them. You can also learn how to use them by seeing those advertisements. Read newspapers, read magazines, read books that you like and enjoy. Now, why is that? Next question. Why is that the people practice but do not get the desired results? Again, it is connected with mind and thinking. You practice, everybody is practicing. There are so many taking either through coaching and practicing. You may take ideas from me and you are practicing. You may take idea from some other better coach and practice. But why is that? Number one, that you are not giving adequate practice, and number two, you're not practicing. Why? Or why the desired, even though you are practicing, the desired results are not coming? So, why is that the people practice but do not get the desired results? Fickleness of mind. Next, mind, it is difficult to control. Now, I said, unless until here there is peace, you will not be able to develop. The third thing is that focus is on result, not on practice. Now, till the time your focus is on gaining knowledge and focus is on practice, you are not going to get the desired results that you want. Because you always be tensed up for the results. And since you are stressed up and tensed up, whatever you learn, you will forget it when you face and you go to the interview or you stand and speak your PPDT story. You forget everything. How is that possible? That you have you have made your own story, you have written it down, it's just about 10 or 12 lines, and still you cannot stand and speak for 1 minute? One of my students had gone and he accepted it. He gave me a call. Sir, I've been screened out. I said, what happened? Sir, my friends told me my ears and my nose turned red and I started fumbling. Now, why has that happened? Why has that happened? Again, problem of mindset and thinking. That boy was a good performer. He had scored about 95% marks in his 12th class in CBSE exams. He could speak quite well. He was confident while practicing, but suddenly when he went on to speak in front of the crowd, he felt nervous. Either he didn't have faith in himself, or something came in his mind negative that pata nahi kya ho jayega. I may forget something. That fear of forgetting what he has written. Now here, the tension came because he was looking at the result, not at the performance. He should have focused on his performance, not the result. Why you bothered about result? So do not focus on result. I repeat, why is that the people who practice but do not get the desired result? It is fickleness of mind. You keep changing. कभी कुछ दिमाग में आता रहता है. You have no control over this. And what needs to be done? I have taught my students a formula, which again in this lecture I will not cover that. I will cover sometime, other time, but not today. So there is a formula which can stop your fickleness of mind. Then your mind is difficult to control. It keeps jumping like a monkey from here to there and there to here. So at times you want to do it in some manner, then in some manner, and some doing something or the other keeps on coming, which is disturbing you, and you're not able to focus on your practice. Everyone practices, but you're not doing the right way. Just by writing stories, practicing writing stories is not going to help you. What is going to help you is to change your thinking, to have better logic, better analytical abilities, better imaginative abilities. Now, these three things are going to help you more than anything else. How to do that? Read, listen, get a mentor, and practice, practice, practice. Main issue of positive thinking, as Brian Tracy had brought out in one of his talks, which I had heard. First, you should be clear what do you want, and then you should be clear how to do it. Now, that is what I am trying to tell you. You want to clear SSB. Now, how to do it? That's what I'm trying to tell you. Just by writing stories on PPDT, practicing writing stories on PPDT and TAT is not going to help you. That practice is not the right way. First, you have to work on your mindset and thinking. You have to improve your logical thinking, you have to improve your analytical thinking, you have to improve your imaginative thinking. Unless these three things are improved, it will be very difficult for you to clear SSB. You keep on practicing, you keep on writing stories. These lot of students, they keep on sending me on their WhatsApp also. I have been counseling a lot of students on mobile also. Now things don't move unless until you work on these three things. That is your logical thinking, your analytical thinking, and lastly your imaginative thinking. Okay. Now Leonardo da Vinci had said, I have been impressed with doing. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Being willing is not enough. We must do it. So take action. Don't think. And take positive action and right action. What we all try to do, try to practice in the easier way. If there is no pain, there is no gain. The talk on my this thinking is not yet over. I don't want to prolong this talk. At least you absorb what I have said today. I will further add on and come with the part 2 of my talk on thinking. Thank you, friends.